so let's deassemble a hard disk. Okay, so first get into it, as you can see, and let's start. You should find something like this. If you can't, try using a flat screw, whatever you want to call this, to pry it open, or you can use plastic cards, but this thing has this. So yeah, also by the way, do not open a hard disk if it's still working, because you could cause damage, and that's going to ruin everything, and the hard disk won't work anymore. This thing doesn't work. This is 1 terabyte, I think. I'm sure it's 1 terabyte. Okay, so you can see something like this. Okay, the screen just fell off. Anyways, back to the hard disk. So this is the board. This is the I/O board. That's where you connect the cable. I think I still have the cable. Let me check real quick in my huge container of cables. You find that I don't, or I do. Do I? I don't think I do. Okay, just wait 1 second. Okay, I found it. This hard disk uses a weird type of cable. I don't know what it's called, but it's something that looks like it's half micro USB. Something like this. It's half micro USB. It's something else well over here. So yeah, that just connects directly onto the board. Let's see if we can just give it a bit of electricity so that the light will come on. Okay, so yeah, there. That's the small light you see when you connect your hard disk. Back to this. Okay, so on the top we've got some screws, as you can see. Those are I have no idea, but we have the loads of bits. Let's try finding. Okay, so after trying out a few bits, I finally found the one that works. Mine will be different from yours, so yeah, just check. Star-shaped screws, Phillips screws. So yeah, let me just real quick do that. Oh, there's a hidden screw. Let's try unscrewing that. Okay, I'm gonna clean this now. As you can see, there's loads of fingerprints. So what I'm gonna, so we got this cable, the hard drive cable. Let me just plug it on. Okay, it spins. Let's just disconnect. Yeah, that's quite clean. Yeah, it's quite clean. Okay, let's come and continue dismantling everything. Nowadays, no one uses. I mean, some people do use hard disks, but most people use SSDs. SSDs is basically the same thing, except the fact that there's no rotating thing. It's all like it's just a chip. So it looks similar to the hard RAM stick. So yeah. You know what? Let me just clean it real quick again. Okay, after cleaning it for the second time, yeah, I'm done. Now I guess we'll take off the screw that holds the disc. By the way, the disc contains everything, so this thin metal thing is 1 terabyte. So finally, I did it. Okay, yeah, that's not how you're supposed to do it, but that's one way of doing it. Okay, let's see what we have here. We've got a processor to process out of the storage and the I forgot. Oh my god, why am I forgetting? To process the data. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's where this part connects to. You see that? That connects to this, and the electricity goes from there to there. Let's see if this thing still works after breaking it. Okay, I know. Just blinked for a second and that's it. Nice. Doesn't even work. Anyways, back to this. This is a cool looking thing, except for the fact that it's broken. But I don't think you really notice it, except for that. No, small piece. This thing on the bottom is the rest. So you just got half of 1 terabyte. As you can see those. It's so hard to focus on a reflective surface. Yeah, you can see those lines, right? That's how your device reads and writes. So yeah, let's just leave that there, and let's continue opening this up. And the 512 1 terabyte. Should probably clean this, like fingerprints everywhere. Wait, can you use it as a pizza cutter? No, I don't think it's sharp enough. Probably just leave it there, like that does not look nice. Okay, now what should I do with this? Also, if you ever wanted to know what's in the breathing hole, this is what's in there. It's like this powder thing. I have no idea why, but yeah. And that's it. Bye.